everyone! Welcome back to Andy and Mandy's YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be looking at all of these different farm animals. Aren't they so cool? The first one we have is a goat. Do you know what sound the goat makes? Good job! Next, we have a blue tractor. Next, we have the sheep. Do you know what color the sheep is? Yeah, good job. It's white. Here we have the farmer. Next, the horse. What sound does the horse make? Good job. Next, we have the pig. What color is the pig? Pink. Good job. What's next? The dog. Next, we have the chicken. There's a mama chicken and a baby chick. How cute. Next, the duck. There's also a mama duck with her little ducklings. Last, we have the cow. Do you know what the cow says? Good job! Here is the farmer again. He has a bucket in his hands so he can feed all the animals who live on his farm. Let's take a look at what all the farm animals say. First, we have the goat. Next, the sheep. Then we have the horse. Next, the ducks. And the farm dog. Here's the tractor. And the cow. Next, the pig. And last, we have the chickens. Next, we're going to work on putting all the farm animals back inside the barn. First, we have the farmer. Where does he go? Yeah, good job. Next, we have the cow. Let's put him back inside the barn. Bye, cow. Is that the tractor? No. What shape does that look like? Yeah, good job. It's the horse. Bye, horse. Next, we have the goat. Does the goat go there? No. Yeah, he goes right there. Bye, goat. And the dog. The dog doesn't go there. Yeah, he goes right there. What shape does that look like? Good job. It's the tractor. Bye, tractor. Let's put the sheep back inside the barn. Does he go there? No, he goes right there. Now we have the duck. The duck doesn't go there. Yeah, the chicken goes there. Bye, chicken. Next, we have the pig. Does the pig go there? No. He goes right there. Bye, pig. Last, we have the ducks. Bye, ducks. Great job putting all the farm animals back into the barn. We hope you had such a fun time looking at all the different farm animals together. See you next time.